Hello everyone, this is Dr. Krishna Prasad. I welcome you all to Engineering Geology Lab. In this lab, we'll discuss cryptocrystalline variety of quartz, identification of cryptocrystalline variety of quartzes. We have 6 cryptocrystalline varieties of quartzes in our lab. There are 3 varieties of cryptocrystalline quartzes belong to one family. We'll try to identify these minerals. The habit is cryptocrystalline banded. You can see in these 3 minerals the banded nature. Color gray, blue, zebra like. Streak, they do not streak on streak plate. Luster, waxy, they are shining like waxy. Cleavage absent, there is no cleavage, the mineral is devoid of cleavage, there is no cleavage plane. Fracture, you can see conchoidal fracture in these minerals. Hardness 7 to 7.5. We cannot scratch this mineral using quartz whose hardness is 7. That tells the hardness of this mineral is slightly greater than that of 7. But this mineral can be scratched by another mineral, that is topaz, whose hardness is 8. You can see the topaz can scratch this mineral. Topaz hardness is 8. That clearly tells that hardness of this mineral is in between 7 and 8. The hardness is 7 to 8. That means we can say hardness is 7 to 7.5. Definitely it's less than 8. We observe one thing, these minerals are harder than quartz. Even though this belong to quartz group, these minerals are harder than crystalline variety of quartzes. Affinity opaque, specific gravity medium, name agate, chemical composition SiO2, occurrence, they occur in volcanic lava as cavity filling. These minerals can be used as abrasive and also in electronic industry. Now we'll take agate group of minerals one by one. The habit and form of this mineral, cryptocrystalline banded. You can see bands in this mineral. Color gray. Streak, they do not streak on streak plate. Luster, the mineral is shining like wax, therefore luster is waxy. Cleavage is absent. Fracture, you can see conchoidal fracture. These are conchoidal fractures, very important property to identify these minerals. Hardness, as we saw, 7 to 7.5. Affinity opaque. Specific gravity medium. Name gray agate. Chemical composition SiO2. These minerals occur in volcanic lava as cavity filling. Uses, the mineral can be used as abrasive and also in electronic industry. We have another variety of agate. It's cryptocrystalline. You can see bands, right? Cryptocrystalline banded habit. Color bluish, banded. Streak, do not streak on streak plate. Luster, waxy, shining like wax. Cleavage absent. Fracture, you can see conchoidal fracture. Hardness 7 to 7.5. Diaphanity opaque. Specific gravity medium 2.65. Name agate blue. Chemical composition SiO2. These minerals occur in volcanic lava as cavity filling. The mineral can be used as abrasive and as well as in electronic industry. We have another agate sample, cryptocrystalline variety, and you can see bands, banded habit, color gray, blue and white banded, zebra like banded. You can see alternate light and dark colored bands in this mineral. They do not streak on streak plate. The luster is waxy. Cleavage absent. Fracture conchoidal. You can see conchoidal fracture. Hardness 7 to 7.5. Diaphanity opaque. Specific gravity medium. Name zebra agate. Chemical composition SiO2. Occurrence commonly occurs in volcanic lava as cavity filling. This mineral can be used as abrasive, ornamental and in electronic industry as well. We have another variety of cryptocrystalline quartz. It is massive in nature, habit is massive, color whitish or creamish white. They do not streak on a streak plate. Luster dull, it's not shining. Cleavage absent. Fracture conchoidal. Hardness 7. Diaphanity opaque. Specific gravity medium. Name chert. Chemical composition SiO2. They commonly occur in volcanic lava as cavity filling. The mineral can be used as abrasive and also in electronic industry. We have another variety of quartz. The form is cryptocrystalline. Habit color is brown. The mineral do not streak on streak plate. Luster shining like wax or resinous. Cleavage is absent. Fracture conchoidal fracture. You can clearly see the conchoidal fracture in this mineral. Hardness 7 to 7.5. Diaphanity opaque. Specific gravity medium. The name flint. Chemical composition SiO2. It commonly occur in volcanic lava as cavity filling. The mineral, as it is hard, it can be used as abrasive and also in electronic industry. Another variety of cryptocrystal variety of quartz is this one, the massive in habit, reddish in color, do not streak on streak plate as it is harder than streak plate. It's shiny like resin or waxy or dull, but it is capable of taking external polish. The cleavage is absent. Fracture conchoidal, you can see conchoidal fracture. Hardness 7, diaphanity opaque, light cannot pass through this mineral. Jasper, name is jasper. Chemical composition SiO2. Occurrence, the mineral occurs in volcanic lava and associated with volcanic activities. The mineral can be used as ornamental. This mineral can take polish and can be used in carving and can be used as ornamental. Next variety of quartz is this one, the cryptocrystal variety of quartz. Habit massive, color greenish red. Streak, it do not streak on streak plate as it is harder than streak plate. Luster waxy, cleavage is absent. Fracture, conchoidal fracture, you can see conchoidal fracture clearly here. Hardness 7, diaphanity opaque, specific gravity medium, name bloodstone. Chemical composition SiO2. The mineral occurs in volcanic lava as cavity filling. The mineral can be used as abrasive, ornamental, and in electronic industry as well. The last variety of cryptocrystalline amorphous variety of quartz we have. This is the habit form is cryptocrystalline to amorphous and massive habit. White in color. Do not streak on streak plate, but with difficulty can yield streak. The luster is waxy or greasy. Cleavage is absent. Fracture, you can see conchoidal fracture. Conchoidal fracture, right? Hardness 6.5, slightly softer than other quartz group of minerals. Diaphanity opaque, specific gravity medium, low to medium, I can say 2 to 2.6. Name opal. Chemical composition also slightly different, SiO2 NH2O. It is hydrated silica. It occurs in a volcanic lava as cavity filling and associated with volcanic activity, and uses the mineral can be used as ornamental, as a gemstone. With this I conclude the quartz group of minerals. Next class we'll discuss about feldspar group of minerals. Thank you.